Hi there! Welcome to Rethink Your Drink Nevada. This is a recipe series for kids. Today we will be making sparkly lemon tea. To make this recipe, ask an adult for 6 things. 1 lemon herbal tea bag, 4 frozen strawberries, a big spoon, cold sparkling water, a clean glass, and a clean pitcher. Before you start, wash your hands with soap and water. Place the strawberries and the tea bag in the pitcher. Pour in 3 cups of cool water. Cover the pitcher with a lid or a plastic wrap. Then put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Get it super cold because that makes it tasty. Take the pitcher out of the fridge. Remove the tea bag and strawberries. Fill your glass halfway with the fruity tea from the pitcher. Fill the rest of your glass with cold sparkling water. You're gonna love it! For a copy of this recipe and more ideas, visit rethinkyourdrinknevada.com.